Pakistan are off and running. Lovely. Very busy player.
This one is going into the gap as well. And now through the onside, there's only gaps at the moment. Good cricket, good cricket. Never let that taximeter stop. I think it's been that is just symbolic.
Slot sweep. Over the top. Maximum.
Well, of all the things you could do,
That'll get his one to his 50th.